Hi everyone, my name is Rimon. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to share with you some awesome sites to remove the background of your design or your image unbelievably just in 5 seconds and for free. So you can use these tools to remove the background so that you can change the background of your image or your design, or make stickers or upload your designs on POD platforms like Redbubble, Teespring and others. But before I would reveal today's tools, I would like you to like this video and subscribe now to my channel for further tips and tricks in making money online, like affiliate marketing and print on demand and others. So now, what are these stunning websites to remove the background of your design and your image for free? So let's begin with this beautiful site I bet you haven't known before is Slazzer.com. And here in this beautiful site you can remove the background of your design or your image automatically for free depending on the artificial intelligence. And here on Slazzer you can watch the background of your design or your image disappears just in 3 seconds. Let's check it out. So come here to this blue button to upload your image or your design. So click over that and choose this beautiful girl as an example. Okay, just in 3 seconds, as I said before. Awesome result as you see. So Slazzer here keeps everything except this background, even the fine hair. Okay, and as I said before, you can use Slazzer for free because in its pricing plans you will find this free plan where you have two free credits, which means you can use unlimited emails, unlimited temporary emails to make unlimited free plans to use this awesome site Slazzer.com. Okay, so to the next one today is Adobe Spark to remove the background from your photo for free in a magic way. Of course, Adobe Spark is one of the family of Adobe. Okay, so you can use this tool for background removal for free depending on artificial intelligence. So let's try it. Upload your photo from here, this blue button, click over that. Drag and drop. Okay, browse. You can choose the same picture as previous one, this beautiful girl. Okay, stunning result as you see as Slazzer.com. Okay, remove background unbelievably. And to download this fascinating result, just you can sign up firstly for free to Adobe Spark. Okay, so going to the next one today is Removal.ai. As its name called, artificial intelligence to remove the background of your design or your photo. So come here to this blue button, choose a photo or your design. Okay, you can alter to this one. Open. Just a few seconds. Gorgeous result as you see. Remove the background accurately. Okay, so download high quality from here. Okay, the next one today quickly is Canva.com, and here on Canva you can remove the background of any image or any design by using a 30 days free trial of Canva Pro. And here you can try any of this image. Okay, like this one. Okay, as an example, just go to edit image, super easy, and background remover like that. Click again. Awesome. Okay, and the next site today is Remove PG. And if you want to use the full power of Remove PG for free, just follow me in this next steps. Just come here to this blue button and click over that, upload image or your design. Okay, choose this one as an example. Awesome. Then you have to upload this preview image with low dimensions. It's for free. Okay, download. Super easy. And going to the next site today is AI Image Enlarger, where you can enlarge your design or your image twice or 4 times its original size without losing its quality. Okay, so after you sign up in this amazing site, okay, just click over that and upload your preview image, okay, that you have downloaded from Remove PG. Okay, awesome. You can choose twice or 4 times its original size. Okay, start. And here you can enlarge this image without losing its quality. Okay, download that. Perfectly. And save image. Amazing. Okay, that's okay. So we reached the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question you can leave it in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe now to my channel for further tips and tricks in making money online in many fields like print on demand and affiliate marketing and others. See you in the next video, and goodbye.